Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If it's your first time and you just came across this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're my savvy and you're watching, thank you for tuning in. So Scotteni said this, but she did not mention names. So guys, listen to this video.
Ngizwile bathi azange ajole kuphela umithisile. Umnakwethu unengane. Sekhulile ingane. Yeah. Anyway, bengithi ngintshela ukuthi ngiphuphe ngishada futhi. Phuphe ngishada futhi. So asifeze namaphupho.
Some people went to reply at the video in the comments, and this is what they say, man. They ask, say, has Monde never cheated on you? And she responded in a very funny way. She responded some of the people's comments and not all of them. You know, one thing about Scotty, you will think that you're saying things to hurt her, and she will simply turn it into a joke. Like, she turned the whole comment section, like, she doesn't take things to heart. I think at this point she has accepted that, you know what, I'm a celebrity and people are always going to say negative things, but I need to turn those negative comments into something positive. She doesn't take things like seriously the way people thought maybe they should take it. So yeah, guys, see you on my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.